How to make TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to make the TikTok video, what you simply need to do is launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok application. Now, as you log into the TikTok application on a device, you can see the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here. So tap on the plus icon, and as you do that, you'll be able to get in touch with the camera. Now here you have the option of photo, text, 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 10 minutes. So you can create 10 minutes long video as well. So you just need to select on what duration of the video you'd want for your TikTok, and then just select on that area over here and then start recording. And as you do that, you can just make the necessary edits from the menu at the right side of the screen and then tap on tick mark and then tap on next. And then here you can add the description and then make the necessary hashtags, add links, and then tap on post and you'll be able to make the TikTok videos and post it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.